Hey gang, so in today's Entrepreneur video, I'll be sharing how I upgraded my business cards using Canva. Now, I like my old business cards, but I wanted to simplify them a bit, so that's what we'll be doing in today's video.
No basic zone.
Now, Canva is a free app, but you can upgrade it to premium if you would like to personalize your graphics more with your actual brand fonts and use some of their exclusive tools. Now, I'll be doing this on my computer, but this can also be done on your phone because they do have an app for your phone. So before we actually start today's video, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, like, and ring the bell to stay in the know. And if a question arises at any time during today's video, feel free to go ahead and drop it down below in the comment section. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and get to designing. Okay, to start off, we're going to head to Canva, which is a great app that I've been using for graphics from Instagram stories to business cards, which is what we'll basically be searching for. So I'm going to start to look for a template to use as well, my template. And I'm going to modify it to my liking by adding my logo, switching the fonts out, and using my brand colors. I like the logo of this template, so I'll be using this one and deleting the info on this one to customize it for Caprell NYC's business card. So to start off, I'll start by changing the background color and the border on the pages, which are essentially the front and the back of the business card. Now I'll be adding an element, which is a square that I'll be turning into a rectangle to fit into the border. I changed the color to white as well for the rectangle and deleted the second page or the back page. You'll see why in a bit. Don't worry, trust the kid. Just trust the kid, okay? Now I'm switching up my border a bit by adding this glitter line. I've had this image/PNG saved for the longest. I actually Googled it and I even used it on my very first business card. And I'll be adding it over the black border that's already on the card. After everything looks good on the perimeter, I'm going to duplicate the card so it has two sides again. So now we have the front of the card on the top and the back of the card underneath the front. Now I'm going to add my logo on the front and the back of the card. These images are already saved in Canva, as you guys can see. But if you have images that you like to add and they're not already in Canva, you can go ahead and hit the upload button on the top left. Once everything is personalized how I want it, I'm going to add some socials and my contact information for Caprell NYC's business card. You can feel free to browse for other icons like Twitter and Facebook if you need to. I'm constantly using these icons so they show up in my recently used. So I'm going to customize these icons for Instagram, my website, and for the email. I'll also be adding the text for my business Instagram, my business website, and for my email. After positioning and customizing everything to my liking, I'll show you guys how the finished product looks. Now I've actually used Canva's printing services for my business cards. I actually really like the outcome, and the shipping was pretty fast. I ordered my business cards around 2 months ago, and I want to say they came about 3 or 4 days after I placed my order. They have different paper options to choose from in addition to different finishes, so you can, customize it to your liking. Once my business cards came in the mail, I actually really liked the quality. In the past, I've used staples for my YouTube business cards, and my very first set of business cards were actually printed at my college for Capra NYC. So be sure to do your research for places to print your cards, compare the prices, and make the best choice for yourself and for your business. But I did actually use Canva's printing services for these business cards. So this is what my business card looks like. If this video helped you guys any, be sure to go ahead and leave me a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you're feeling comfortable about making your very own business cards for your business or your YouTube or whatever business venture you have. And before heading out, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to join the gang, turn on your post notifications to be in the know. And thank you guys for watching. Until next time, until next video, until next upload, until next post, until next Entrepreneur vlog, I'll see you guys all later. Bye guys.